Okay, we're back. So, Dawud Knuckles here at artondekz, where we explore music, fashion, tech, and culture. Thanks for all the love and support. Here at artondekz, we review and break down today's best music, coolest tech, and latest fashion stories to help create creatives like you to learn from. All right, let's get into this unboxing. Unboxing. What are we unboxing today? I told you I recently had a birthday. Got a couple of gifts, and something I wanted for a while. Something I wanted for a while. So today I'm gonna unbox FAHAMU PECOU, one of his shirts. So if you guys want to check out some more of his merchandise, some of his swag shop, art prints, we got some Shepard Ferries, some Marcus Jansen's. We got a couple of pieces of art. This is artondekz, what we do. So this man right here, he has phenomenal artists. Like I said in the other episode, based in Atlanta. If you love hip hop, love visual art, you gotta get his stuff. You gotta get this dude's stuff. Dr. FAHAMU. So I bought a sweater. This is what I said I wanted. I got it, and let's unbox it. Okay, package. I wasn't home when I received this. I thought it was gonna come like you know, I didn't know how it was gonna come. But when it comes, when you buy it, it's a nice little fit right in your mailbox kind of thing. Just rip it out the plastic. Ooh, okay. Let's see. Wow. Got a little shipping thing, or I guess drop shipment kind of stuff. Plastic, you take that away. Toss it over here. Let's go down to details of the shirt. The shirt I got is called it's called the On Blood sweatshirt. Each unique, all over printed sweatshirt is precision cut and I didn't know that. And hand sewn to achieve the best possible look and bring out the intricate design. What's more, the durable fabric with a cotton feel face and soft brush fleece inside means that this sweatshirt is bound to become your favorite for a long time. All right, so the breakdowns of the actual material is 70% polyester. I'm not sure. I think isn't polyester like a not a organic kind of thing. Whatever. Okay, 27% cotton and 3% elastane. I think that's to give it that stretch. You know what I'm saying? Stretch is good. They have it detailed as soft cotton feel face, so because it feels like cotton. Then the brush. Okay, so it's like cotton on the outside, fleece on the inside. So you got Old Navy performance fleece on the inside, and you got that nice official cotton on the outside. Okay, it says unisex style. Overlock seams. Overlock seams. Let's see. Okay. Don't know what that means. I'm not a tailor, but I guess they're both folded down. It looks like. Looks premium. Looks pretty. Oh man. Oh man. Look at this. Oh man. This is dope. This is dope. You gotta get this. You gotta get this right here. It looks almost 3D-ish a little bit. Like some of the things on the. Check this out right here, guys. Check this out right here. This is dope. I love this style. I like red. I like other colors too. But the funny thing about this, like I actually had a concept to take art and it's not a new concept. I'm pretty sure a lot of people do it. But the way he does it, whereas like the painting is you're wearing the painting. You know what I'm saying? It's not like okay, this theme is here and it's like the way they laid it out. It's exactly what I envisioned. So he did it, and he was actually one of the artists I used as a reference. I have a sketchbook a few years ago. I'm not gonna show you guys. I don't want to embarrass myself. And he was one of the artists that I used as a reference. You know what I'm saying? So it's mad. So this is like I had to have this shit right here. I was like, yeah, this is actually a better idea Okay, has a little detail. His logo on the side. Create like a god, command like a king, work like a slave, love like a mother. The brother FAHAMU PECOU. This is dope. This is dope. Okay, this is PECOU. Got the detail. Boom. That's tag. And there any tags? So there's no. I love that. There's no tag. You know, back in the day, you get the little itchy tag. You don't have that. The tag is just ink. Well, not ink, but it's printed on the shirt. But there's a little fabric tag over here. Breaks down what it is. I got a large. Everything is fitted nowadays. You know what I'm saying? I'm not wearing a double X. Let's see how it fit. Look, I just pick a large. I never put it on before. I didn't measure to say what size am I. So for FAHAMU, you know what I'm saying? I like to say I'm 6 feet. I'm really 5'11", but I say I'm 6 feet. About 200 pounds. Let's see. Let's see what we got going on. Let's see if a large works. Oh, this is where that stretch comes into play. See right here when you do this? Right there? That's when that stretch comes into play, boy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Nah, this is right. This is right. I'm about to do the rest of the... Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Right there. See? Look at that. This is nice. This is good. I love it. It's also like the whole shirt is the painting. You see what I'm saying? You got the ink, the paint, the spots. It's not like, okay, red, just a RGB of red right here. It's the actual like textures of the paint and stuff all over. This is cool. I'm about to wear this tonight. Okay, cool. So let's see. It smells like, you know, like you bought it, like it was in a store. Like it has that new store smell kind of thing. Good. Or am I still smelling that Badu candle? That Badu scent. That Badu scent is still in the air. I'm telling you. Whew, okay. Let's see price. This sweater, from when I'm looking on the website, it goes for about $70. You know, of course you got some shipping involved. That's kind of, you know, not bad. Kind of, it's probably like maybe you probably get a little champion sweater around like $40-$50. So, but for this detail, for that exclusive, for this great black art, period. But supporting a black family, you know, saying has a beautiful family. I think it's a dope price. I had no problem paying $70 for it. No problem paying $70 for it. The features, you know, like the tagless inseam, the what do you say? I forgot the hold on, how does it go? He said the overlock seams. It feels good. The inside fleece, outside cotton. Very comfortable, very stretchy. I'm digging it. It's like it doesn't have that kind of. It has a premium look to it. Like you kind of wear it like you know you're not in a 3-piece suit, but like you can't, you know, you official with it. So I recommend it. I fuck with it. So if you guys looking for any merchandise, I don't really call this merchandise. It is merchandise, but it's art. It's clothes. It's not just a screen, an iron on kind of. You know what I'm saying? It's inside the actual fabric. Nice premium look. You get it directly from the dude. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure he'll holler at you if you contact him like, yo. So I'm gonna put a link to the website in the description if you want to get one. Don't get the same one I got. Don't get the same one. He got a couple. Let's see what other colors he got on here. I know somebody gonna be like, no, I got the same one. But he got yellow, blue. Look, they're all different images too. He got like jackets, bombers, purple. Like he got 1, 2. Let me see, 1, 2, 3. He has about 6 different sweaters, jackets, and a bunch of other prints and stuff like that. And if you got a couple of those bands, your bands are up, hit them for one of those original pieces. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully one day in the future, I'll be copping something, you know, to put up in the house. So yeah, so shout out to FAHAMU PECOU. I love this right here. I'm gonna send you a little picture or video of this right here. And keep doing your thing. Thank you for the help that when I first started with my art projects and being a part. Shout out to Dexter. Dexter put me on. And the dude, my brother Tim Aquamur, you know what I'm saying? I remember when I first met Dexter, that's what the artist he was working with, and he was like, hold on, Knuckles, you talking this hip hop talk? With this art, with this visual art? Yo, he's like, you need FAHAMU. Like, you know what I'm saying? So artondekz, we thank you. This is dope. This is really dope. Peace.